All right, what's up guys? Jason here again. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step-by-step how to use the Lume Cube Panel Mini. This is a compact on-camera bi-color LED light designed to be simple, portable, and extremely easy to use while still delivering really high quality light. Now I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, how the light works, how to adjust brightness and color temperature, how to manage battery life, and how to get the most out of it in real-world shooting situations. Let's start from the beginning. Inside the box, you're gonna find the Lume Cube Panel Mini itself, a USB-C charging cable, a low-profile DSLR cold shoe mount, and a soft silicone diffuser. Everything here is designed to stay lightweight and minimal, so this light can live on your camera, in a pocket, or in a small pouch without adding any extra bulk. Now let's talk about the light itself. The Panel Mini uses 60 full spectrum LED diodes and delivers very high color accuracy. Each diode is rated at approximately 96.5 CRI, which means skin tones are going to look natural, colors are going to reproduce accurately on camera as well. On top of that, the front of the light has a built-in frosted diffusion panel, so the light looks really nice and soft and even without even needing that diffusion. Now physically, the light is extremely compact. It measures about 3.6 inches wide, 2.2 inches tall, and roughly 0.45 inches thick, and it weighs about 85 grams. Now that makes it ideal for mirrorless cameras, compact rigs, phones, or any situation where weight and size really matter. You also get two 1/4-20 mounting threads, which gives you flexibility to mount it on the included cold shoe, a small tripod, a magic arm, or even off camera if you really want to get creative. Now let's turn it on and we're going to actually use it. To power on the Panel Mini, just press and hold the blue power button for about 3 seconds. The rear LCD is going to light up, showing your current brightness, color temperature, battery level, and the estimated remaining runtime. The screen is simple, but it's incredibly useful. At a glance, you always know how bright the light is, what color temperature you're set to, and how much battery life you have left at that exact brightness level. It's a really cool feature. The Panel Mini is a bi-color light, which means you can adjust the color temperature from a warm 2700 Kelvin all the way to daylight balance 7500 Kelvin. That's a huge range for a light like this. Now to adjust the color temperature, tap the control button until the color temperature section is selected on the screen. Then rotate the adjustment dial, turning it one direction moves the light towards cooler daylight look, and turning it the other direction warms it up towards tungsten colors. To adjust brightness, tap the button again to move to the brightness section, then rotate the dial. Brightness is adjustable from 1% all the way up to 100%, giving you a lot of control whether you need a subtle fill light or a stronger on-camera key. Now, one of the standout features here is battery management. As you change the brightness, the screen updates the estimated remaining runtime in real time. That means you always know exactly how long the light's gonna last at your current settings. At full brightness, you're gonna get around 1.2 hours of runtime, and at lower brightness, you can extend that all the way up to around 14 hours. That makes it incredibly predictable on shoots where timing matters. Charging the Panel Mini is straightforward. All you gotta do is plug the USB-C cable into the charging port on the light and then connect it to a power source. The battery indicator on the screen will show that it's charging right away. From empty to full, a complete recharge takes about 1.8 hours. For best battery health, it's recommended to unplug the light once it's fully charged, and then just top it off before a shoot if you haven't used it in a while. Now let's do a quick spec call out for those of you who care about the technical details. So for those of you who understand the numbers, the Panel Mini uses 60 full spectrum LEDs with a CRI of about 96.5. It's got 300 lumens and 550 lux at a half a meter. A bi-color range from 2700 all the way to 7500 Kelvin, brightness adjustable from 1 to 100%, a maximum runtime of roughly 14 hours at low output, and a compact aluminum 85-gram body. It's designed for close range lighting. So if you understand those specs, you already know that this is a high quality, well-engineered little light. And for everyone else who just wants a great light that looks good on camera, all you need to know is this: the Panel Mini is clean, soft, color accurate, easy to use, and it's incredibly reliable for its size. It's one of those lights you can just throw in your camera, turn it on, and immediately get better results without even thinking about it. And a couple more quick tips real quick before we wrap up the video. Now, if you happen to have the Lume Cube Pro Grip, or you want to purchase it separately, it doubles as a stand and, depending on the settings, can increase the runtime to an insane 15 more hours. And don't forget that this light is also available in the video conferencing kit, which comes with a really handy padded laptop clip. If you have any questions about anything I didn't cover here, feel free to drop them in the comments or just reach out to Lume Cube support. They're super friendly and they get back really fast. If you want more lighting walkthroughs like this, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.